The importance of driver's education for new drivers. Driver's education is a crucial component in preparing new drivers to navigate the roads safely and responsibly. With the increasing number of vehicles on the road, understanding traffic laws, developing defensive driving skills, and cultivating a sense of responsibility are essential for ensuring safety. This video explores the significance of driver's education for new drivers by highlighting its role in promoting road safety, reducing accidents, and fostering responsible driving behavior. One of the primary objectives of driver's education is to enhance road safety. Comprehensive driver's education programs equip new drivers with knowledge about traffic rules and regulations, vehicle operation, and safe driving practices. By understanding these fundamentals, new drivers are better prepared to handle various driving scenarios and make informed decisions that contribute to overall road safety. Driver's education plays a pivotal role in reducing accidents among novice drivers. Statistics show that young or inexperienced drivers are more likely to be involved in collisions due to their lack of experience and sometimes overconfidence. Through structured learning environments, driver's education provides practical training on hazard recognition, defensive driving techniques, and accident prevention strategies. This hands-on experience helps new drivers anticipate potential dangers and react appropriately. For many new drivers, getting behind the wheel can be an intimidating experience. Driver's education helps build confidence by providing supervised practice sessions where learners can gradually develop their skills in a controlled environment. With guidance from experienced instructors, students gain confidence in their ability to maneuver vehicles safely and effectively handle different driving situations. A critical aspect of driver's education involves teaching students about vehicle operation and maintenance basics. Understanding how a car functions, such as braking systems, steering mechanisms, and engine performance, enables new drivers to operate vehicles more efficiently while recognizing signs of mechanical issues early on. Defensive driving is an integral part of any driver's education program. It emphasizes anticipating other drivers' actions and adjusting one's own behavior accordingly to prevent accidents. By instilling defensive driving habits early on, such as maintaining safe following distances or scanning intersections before proceeding through them cautiously, young motorists become proactive participants rather than reactive ones when faced with unexpected challenges on our roads today. Driver's ed also fosters responsible attitudes towards alcohol consumption and drug use while operating motor vehicles, emphasizing zero-tolerance policies regarding impaired driving offenses. Moreover, it underscores importance wearing seatbelts at all times regardless distance traveled, because even short trips pose risks if not properly restrained within cabin space provided by manufacturers' standards set forth globally across automotive industry sectors alike. Understanding legal responsibilities associated owning or operating automobiles, another key facet covered extensively throughout curriculum offerings available nationwide and beyond. Topics discussed include obtaining licenses, permits required various jurisdictions, along with insurance requirements necessary to protect both property and persons involved should unfortunate incidents occur unexpectedly during daily commutes, etc. Utilizing turn signals for clear communication with other drivers. Effective communication on the road is essential for ensuring safety and smooth traffic flow. Among the various tools available to drivers, turn signals are one of the most crucial yet often underutilized methods of nonverbal communication. This video explores the importance of using turn signals, detailing their role in preventing accidents, enhancing predictability, and fostering a culture of responsible driving. 1. The role of turn signals in road safety. Turn signals serve as an essential component in promoting road safety by alerting other drivers to your intended actions. By signaling your intention to change lanes or make a turn, you provide others with sufficient time to react appropriately, reducing the likelihood of collisions. In heavy traffic or complex intersections, this early warning system becomes even more critical as it helps manage congestion and maintain order. 2. Preventing accidents. Failure to use turn signals is a common cause of accidents on the road. When drivers neglect to signal their intentions, they create uncertainty and confusion among other motorists, increasing the risk of rear-end collisions and sideswipes during lane changes. Proper use of turn signals can significantly reduce these risks by providing clear cues about your next move. 3. Enhancing predictability. Predictability is key when navigating busy roads. Turn signals contribute to a predictable driving environment where all road users can anticipate each other's actions accurately. This predictability minimizes abrupt maneuvers that could startle or endanger other drivers, cyclists, or pedestrians sharing the roadway. 4. Legal obligations and compliance. Using turn signals is not just a courtesy, it is often mandated by law across various jurisdictions worldwide. Understanding local regulations regarding signal usage ensures compliance with legal obligations while reinforcing safe driving practices. 5. Building trust among drivers. Consistent use of turn signals builds trust among fellow motorists by demonstrating consideration for their safety and well-being on shared roads alike. It fosters mutual respect between individuals operating vehicles simultaneously within proximity spaces, e.g., highways/intersections. Creating harmonious interactions rather than confrontational ones do lack foresight provided through simple gestures, such activating indicator lights timely manner expected societal norms dictate today. 6. Educating new drivers about signal usage. Driver education programs play pivotal roles teaching new learners importance utilizing indicators effectively throughout journeys undertaken daily basis. Comprehensive instruction should emphasize both theoretical aspects underpinning necessity employing these devices alongside practical exercises designed to reinforce habit formation, long-term benefits associated therein. 7. Overcoming common misconceptions. Some drivers mistakenly believe that signaling isn't necessary if no visible cars are nearby. However, reality dictates otherwise given potential presence unseen obstacles like blind spots, obscured vision lines, etc., which may pose hazards despite apparent absence immediate threats perceived initially upon cursory glances alone.